Hello, this is Crystal and my husband Brandon, and we are with
Reefs of Circle Creek.
Yes, this is our first live, so we're excited.
Very excited about it.
Tonight we would like to show you some of our new meshes and some of our new ribbons that we just got in.
Spent the last day or two unpacking, getting everything organized, listed online.
Yeah.
And now we're ready to show it off.
That's right. So if you're staying out of trouble Friday night or you want to just tag along with us and see some mesh and ribbon, here we go. Okay?
Right.
Let's see. So this wall right here, my husband was nice enough to put up this nice shelf. And we have all this mesh here, if you can see it. And we'll get up close to it here in just a minute. So of course we got the Christmas metallic mesh. It's really, really pretty, guys. I'm sorry, let me put the light. Oh, the light was on. It's kind of dark back here. But you can see the foil. It's really, really pretty. And then of course you have the antique gold. Real nice Christmas mesh. And then you have the red and the white. It's very pretty. And we have the Halloween mesh up there, the red and black. We have the border stripe. And we have a deluxe metallic red up there to your left. Let's see. And here are some more meshes. We just wanted to give you a tour of everything so you can see up close a little bit. And let's see, these are the ivory meshes. The ivory, brown, and natural mesh. This is great, guys, for fall. You can do a lot with this one. And it's really an inexpensive one. It's a nice one. And this is called Peacock Blue.
That's definitely one of my favorites.
Yeah, Brandon really likes this one. We didn't know that when, on the stock photos, they always look so different. I had no idea that it really showed like a peacock feather here. It's
multicolored.
Multicolored, that's right. It's really, really pretty. And then, of course, we have some silver. And this is really pretty, too. You got some teals and aquas and blues and royals and navy. And then we have, this is the green with red stripe. You can do a lot with that one, too. And, of course, we have some oranges. And you have to have the Halloween mesh. We do have a lot of this one. And I think we're selling this one for a really good price. I think it's $4.35. It's really good. And then, of course, we have some of the black. This is the really pretty black metallic mesh. And this one's just gorgeous. This is a burgundy mesh with all the foil in it. Really shimmers. And these are great for Halloween, too. You got a black and lime. And we just restocked on the turquoise. Turquoise and fuchsia. That's a pretty one. You can use that for summer and for winter. Now, let's see. So which is your favorite mesh?
Peacock.
I don't know. I think I kind of like I like them all, but the Halloween and the burgundy and the peacock.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So if you're ready to go look at the ribbons, we're going to go look at the ribbons. Here we go. Let's see. So we have our ribbons here. This is fall, and then we have a lot of shimmer ribbons. I'm sorry, guys. I know there's some shadow up there, but these are called shimmer glitter ribbons, and they're really nice. They don't seem to flake as much as some of the glitter ribbons, which I kind of like because usually during the season you get glitter everywhere. And then these are some of our fall ribbons. I'm going to take some of these down so you can kind of see it more in the light. Let's see. Oh, there we go. That's a little bit better. It got dark and now it's better. So this is really cute. This is the leopard with the fall truck and the pumpkins. It's really, really cute.
Absolutely. I love all the truck ones.
And then these are the Halloween ribbons here. And then, of course, these are super cute. These skeletons.
Can't get enough of the Halloween ones.
That's right. And you got the cute little skeletons with the shimmer. We actually have more of these coming in purple and orange. They've just been postponed a little bit. So that happens, I'm happy that we got our first set of our order. So, and then of course we got the witches and the witch legs. And we have pumpkins over here. Okay. And then over here we have the Christmas and Mr. Brandon.
Hey.
And these are gorgeous. These really shimmer, and they seem to be doing a lot with that teal and that turquoise color, that blue.
Just beautiful color.
It is really pretty. I like how every color can go for Christmas. I really like that. And then cute little gingerbread, super cute. And we have it in the black and white gingham and in the pink gingham. And then we have the irregular stripes. These are 1.5 inches that go great with the 2.5 ribbons.
Another one of my favorites.
Yeah, the blue snowman. He's super cute. Super cute. And then he has another little stocking. You got him in blue. You also have him in the white canvas. And these are pretty much all canvas ribbons. They're wired, 2.5. This one's cute too. I really like this one. It's probably my favorite snowman this year. Of course, they're all my favorite. I will tell you that these ribbons, these are actually 2.75 inches. So they're a little bit wider, which is cute. That's good for Christmas. And then if you can see up here, which I'll have Brandon in the real live take down so we can see some. We have the Santas, the Merry Christmas Santas, that's on a white canvas, and he's leopard. And then you have the emerald green on canvas Santa. You have the black and white plaid, and you have Santa on black, and then you have the powder pink. And guys, we do have more of the Santa colors coming in too, just so you know. And of course the rustic Noel. It's very pretty. And let's look on this side. And who's this? This is my helper, Mr. Duke. Can you say hi? Hi, Duke. And then here is some more snowman. And look at that. Aren't they cute?
I do love this plaid also.
Like the plaid.
Another one of my favorites.
We do have a lot of the black and white snowman plaid coming in. Hopefully we would get that in July. So if you like that one, that's coming too. But these are cute. They have a lot of iridescent type glitter to them. And they really do glitter. And then, of course, this one with the barn snowman, super cute. Of course, I don't think I would think any snowman's ugly. So, and then these are really pretty. These are the vintage ornaments ribbon on canvas. I think these are pretty new. I haven't really seen these yet. They're really pretty. This one's white canvas, and then we have one on the pink canvas. And they're all wired, 10-yard rolls. And then we have a few snowflake ribbons. We have the gray, and then we have the natural, and this is a glitter. It's really pretty. And then you have the light blue. And then we have more Christmas. Got the Christmas trucks. Gotta have the Christmas barn. Merry Christmas. And we have some gnomes, some 1.5 gnomes. And of course the black and red plaid. And the classic Mr. Snowman. And we have 1.5 candy canes. And we have these are plaid trees. And then they're also coming out with the pattern trees, which has a lot of the leopard designs in it, which you see a lot of that in the fall with the pumpkins. So there's that. And so are you still with us for our first live? I have a few more things to show you, and then we'll leave you alone. But I'll tell you a little bit about our shop. Our shop is called Wreaths of Circle Creek, and it's on Etsy. I'll post a link below. Hopefully that will lead you there. If not, you can go to Etsy and type in the shop name, Wreaths of Circle Creek, all together, and it will take you to my shop. Right now we are offering $65 free shipping, so you can stock up on fall ribbons and Christmas ribbons and be all set. I also want to show you, we have a couple of wreath embellishments, a sign, and a skeleton, and a little mini snowman. So I have those out, and we also got some work forms, and these will make 20-inch wreaths. So we're gonna show it to you. Here we go. All right, let's see. See, it's like the lighting. So this is a wreath work form. We got the burlap color. It's a 10-inch, but it says it makes a 20-inch. I have not used these yet. These are from Craig Bachman. So I got these, and we will be getting more of these in July. We also will have some of the ones that are 15 to 24 inches. So that's nice. We have the burlap, and then we have the white, and we have the iridescent, which is really, really pretty. It looks silver in the stock photo, but it's not. It's a really pretty iridescent color, so I wasn't really sure how this is going to come out. Let me see if I can fix that lighting. That might be a little bit better. Okay. Yeah. So, and, maybe that's better. Or, let's see if that might be a little bit better, huh? Yep, I think that's the problem, guys. So, and then we have the Mr. Snowman, and he's really cute. He's a mini snowman, and he's great, and he's a wreath attachment, so he has all the wires that you can put onto your wreath. He's real cute. Now, this one's mine. I don't take them out of packages. This one's mine, so don't worry. Your snowman will come. It looks like it's vacuum packed in a little pack here, but I promise when I took it out, it was fine. But so they just seal them up really good, and that's good for shipping. And he's really cute. And also, I want to show you this little sign that we got. It's a little nutcracker sign. It's really cute if you like nutcrackers, and we do have a few nutcracker ribbons. He has like the royal navy blue. Ah, there you go.
So I'm not sure if y'all saw these at the top of the rack a moment ago. They were on the corner of the rack at the top, but wanted to make sure you saw this one because it's really neat. I really like this one too.
Yeah, it's really, really pretty, and that one matches this one pretty good, and it would go good with some of the blue and gold mesh that we have in the shop. So he's cute, and I think right now the sign's for $4.55, so that's nice. And then we have, if for the Halloween lovers, if you like skeletons, you can go with the skeleton ribbon. We have this 4-piece. It's a 4-piece wreath attachment. It's a little skeleton decor, and this is Mr. Bones. And he is cute. You can put him in a swag, you can put him in a wreath. This is the little photo it comes with, and he would go really well with this ribbon. You could do a little skeleton. He's really, really cute. And this is how he comes. He'll come vacuum sealed in a package too, it looks like. So yeah, at first I was like, what, are they all smashed? But no, it just protects them. So very cute. And that's about it. That's our short little live. So we wanted to tell you thank you for joining us.
Thanks for hanging out with us on a Friday night.
Yes, and if you have any questions or comments, please comment below, and we'll come back and check them. So have a great weekend, and thank you. Bye.
Bye.